guys, welcome to my scrappiness.
Happy New Year, guys! And I hope everyone had a happy holidays. And we're at the start of our 2020. This is the first video that I have for 2020. And if you notice, I'm doing the December Kiwi Lane Kit Club. And by the way, guys, if you notice, I didn't upload any videos right after we finished the 12 projects of Christmas, which, by the way, I do have a playlist. If you want to look at the 12 projects of Christmas that I did there, the playlist is down in the description below. I did receive this last month for the month of December, but today I will play with it with you guys. I'd like to open this up with you guys and hopefully be able to work on a project. And let me go ahead and open it. Happy holidays. Oh, I'm loving the color already. Let me go through the papers. Oh my gosh, look at all the new kits, the new templates that came with it. Oh, how cool. And let's go through the templates real quick. It looks like this is an actual, oh yeah, it is an actual kit, you guys. How cool is this? Okay, so here is the Wonderland 3. It's a little Christmas tree. And then we have, oh my gosh, these are pretty small. This is Wonderland 1. And then this is Wonderland 5, Wonderland 7, and then we have Wonderland 4, another little bitty Christmas tree, and Wonderland 2, which is a gift. We have a sleigh here, Wonderland 6, Wonderland 8, we have Wonderland 9, and then we have a Wonderland 10 and Wonderland 11. How cool is this? Okay guys, let me just put this on the side and let me show you the cards. Okay, let's start with our 3x4s. Now I'm gonna go speed through this real quick. To our 4x4s. And to our 4x6s. You guys, and my favorite part of the kit, the actual papers. Cute. Okay guys, give me a few seconds or a few minutes and I will get back with you. I'm going to think of a layout. Okay guys, I am back. So here are the papers that I decided to use for this one layout. It's quite a bit of papers, so I'm going to use this. And our background will be this paper. So, and on the templates, actually I'm using 6 papers. And on the templates, I'm going to be using the Wonderland 7, Wonderland 9, Wonderland 10, and I'm also grabbing the a la carte frame 1, Christmas accessories too, and banners too. I also cut out 4x6s white cardstocks because I wasn't sure. I can't make up my mind which Christmas pictures to use, but I'm going to go ahead and prep the layout. So let's use this darker paper here so I can show you how I have envisioned this layout to go. By the way guys, I'm also using the Diamond Press Joy to the World die cut. You've seen me haul this before. If you haven't, then look at my Christmas card dice haul, and I'm going to link the haul down at the description below. But this is what we're going to use. So playing with the elements now. So what I'm thinking of doing is I'm going to have the banners too over here. I hope you can see this. So this is where I put the banners too, and I'm going to cut one end here, this decorative end, and I'm gonna cut a decorative end at the top too. So just kind of imagine that, and then we're going to put the photos right here, one on top of the other. So that's how I plan or envision this. And then what I'm going to do is take the a la carte, let me push this down a bit. Take the a la carte one frame, put it on this side. Then we're going to put this Christmas too. We're gonna put the title, Joy to the World, over there. And then down here at the very bottom, right here, as an added element, I want to go ahead and, okay, you already saw that. I'm gonna move it. My frame is so tight right now, I don't know how to fix it. But anyway, so we're gonna put the tree here, and then the house over there. Okay guys, let's start working on this layout. We're gonna trace right now. It's time to cut. Okay guys, because I have small items here, I want to go ahead and tack the small items down so I won't lose them later. For the tree, I have the star here, and I want to go ahead and ink around the star real quick. And then we have the house here. I want to go ahead and ink around the house already. I just wanted to make sure that I have all these elements and that they're going to be down when I do need them and not loose, especially this door that I created for the house. I don't want to lose it. Okay, let's start tacking the door down with our Lawn Fawn fundamentals glue here. We have the door to the house. I wanted to make sure this is tacked down to the start to the tree. There you go. And then I want this. I just eyeballed it, so we have the lights in the house over there. So let me just go ahead and tack this down with the wet glue. Make sure that it's not gonna go anywhere. There you go. This scene is practically ready for this, so I'm gonna tack this down already and make sure that we have them where we want them. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, let's tack this down. Normally I would ink all my elements first, but because like I had mentioned, these are small pieces, I wanted to make sure that I'm not gonna lose them. So there's the tree, and now we're gonna play with the house. It's right there. Oh, how cool. Okay, let's finish up with our scene here. I'm going to go ahead and cut our Joy to the World. I am going to use white cardstock for this. Let me pull the diamond press. There you go. I just cut around it. And I'm cutting the title obviously in white cardstock. Put it in here. Hold our diamond press. I love my diamond press. My gosh, you saw that was just one pass and it had cut through already. So let me just push this out. There you guys go. Joy to the world. Isn't that pretty? Let's finish with this inking and then putting it together. Okay, let me put this two together and our title up here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute already. So let me use my glue that's already handy here and oh my gosh, this is so cute. Okay guys, let's tack this down and commit it to our layout. Okay guys, and we're gonna put this over here. I'm leaving a little bit of a space down here at the bottom for your journaling, so you can go ahead and journal over in that spot. And then let's put our make-believe pictures here. Like I said guys, I haven't decided yet what pictures to use. So there you go guys, I finished it. We finished it. Hooray, hooray, hooray. I hope you enjoyed watching me create this layout and working my thought process with you guys. And yeah, that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching. Happy 2020 yet again, and I hope this year will be a blessed year for everyone, a prosperous year, a very peaceful year, and a very healthy year for all of us. And yes, that's it. I appreciate you guys watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. To my subscribers, thank you so much for supporting me. And that's it. I'll catch you guys later. Bye.